Want to personalize ueli so it works exactly the way you like. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change ueli settings, including keyboard shortcuts, startup behavior, extensions, appearance, and a few other useful options. Let's get started. Start by launching ueli on your computer. Once the launcher is open, click the Settings icon or use the available menu option to open the application's configuration window. Inside the Settings window, you'll see several categories that control different parts of ueli. Depending on your version, these may include general settings, extensions, appearance, search behavior, and keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, it's worth taking a quick look through each section. Open the General section to adjust how ueli behaves. Here you may find options like launching ueli when Windows starts, minimizing it to the system tray, or changing other startup preferences. Enabling these options can make the app more convenient to use every day. Next, open the Extensions section. This is where you can enable or disable features like the calculator, bookmark search, custom searches, custom commands, and other available tools. Turning off features you don't use can keep your search results cleaner. Now check the appearance and keyboard shortcut settings. Depending on your version of ueli, you may be able to change the launcher theme, customize the global shortcut, or adjust other interface preferences to match your workflow. After making your changes, save them if your version requires it, then close the settings window and test the features you've updated. So if everything works the way you expect, you're all set. And that's it, you've successfully customized the ueli settings to better fit your workflow. If this guide helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.